All right, so we're going to put on our generator stand, clean it up a little bit. This one's a little bit different. Normally you would have this guy on here, but as you can see, my hole is smaller. So I'm just going to put the gasket on there. I'm going to put aviation Permatex on there first, and then set the alternator stand down. All right, so I've coated both sides of the gasket with aviation Permatex again, and I'm going to set the sucker down. Everything I researched is not showing a torque. This is good and tight, so don't get crazy with it. You don't want to snap anything. But yeah, washers and self-locking nuts. All right, there you have it. Like I said, make sure you don't torque them down too much, but get them snug on there. If you like it, click the like button, comment if you got any questions, and subscribe.